Now, okay. Now I have started recording the screen, and let's start with the lesson. Okay. So if you can see this OneNote here, I have shared the A1 syllabus, and you will have access, in some time. आपको जो दिख जाएगा. Okay, A1 file. The goal here is to make you understand basic sentences, hold beginners level conversation in French, or day-to-day basis conversation in French. And it generally takes 40 sessions. It's one on one, तो हो सकता है we'll cover it in 30 sessions or 32 33 sessions. Now what it covers like introduction to French, basically like introducing you to the alphabets, to the French accents and the phonetics, greetings, self introduction, all in French of course, numbers, dates, days and time. ठीक है, तो ये बेसिक स्टफ है, ये सबको पता होना चाहिए. हम लोग विल बिगिन द फ्रेंच विद द दीज बेसिक स्टफ्स. उसके बाद दिस कम्स ग्रामर. वहाँ पे फाउंडेशनल ग्रामर आई विल टीच यू, लाइक how to use articles, what are types of articles available and how they look like, what are nouns and what are different types of nouns. And even in French there is one more complex thing, that nouns have a gender. ठीक है, so even non biological things have a gender in French. तो यानी कि even a table, chair or a lamp have a gender, and that how it is, we have to learn that.
Like semi, home,
your
home, like that, right?
Your voice is breaking. Can you rejoin the meet? Can you please rejoin the meet?
Do you hear me now?
Yes, now you are audible. Yes, tell me.
So home, femme, like
Femme.
that, right?
Femme, you are saying. Yeah, la femme means the woman, the lady, or it can also mean wife sometimes, depending on the context. So la femme. If I say ma femme, means my wife, in context.
Okay.
Otherwise la femme means woman generally, that's true, but it can also mean as wife. Okay. Then l'homme, you are saying l'homme, the man.
Home or
Home, no, it's not at all home. It's
Okay.
l'homme, L apostrophe H O H O double M and then O at the end. It's homme. H is always silent. French people don't know how to read H, basically.
Oh.
They never read, they never pronounce it. Even in English word, once they start speaking English, they do not speak H in English also. They, there is a Latin influence of on this letter H, which we sometimes see in English word also. Like honest is one word where we don't read H in English, right? So because they have a common origin, Latin is the mother of these languages, or you say English or French or German or Italian, Spanish. So there is a direct reference from Latin language and Roman script. So Roman is the script that we are using. That's why you never asked my help with the letters. You already know that farm and om, etc. You are at least able to read it. It's just because the script is same, Roman. The script we already know, aware of. Once you start learning Chinese or something, Japanese, तो वहाँ पे पहले script के लिए आपको you have to take a lot of classes. Then you will be able to understand script. Here things are quite easy compared to those languages, of course. Yeah, so script that I don't have to teach you, but still I will start teaching you with with the phonetics, because you are not at all aware of any sound that we are reading. You are just seeing it as English letters, but they are not at all our English letters. They are completely, absolutely different things and have a different sound. So they may look like same, they have 26 letters, but they are definitely different things. So let me start with alphabets. I'll talk about syllabus again. These are basic topics, grammar, etc., vocab, day-to-day basis, sentences, functional language like having conversation, listening and reading, writing, speaking, all 4 components, and text based preparation at the end. Now let me start with I mean first of all we'll start with alphabets. Yeah, we can write that, or maybe we can take it from here. Yeah, let's take it from here because I want you to have it as notes. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें नोट्स नहीं करनी है क्लास में, आपको नोट नहीं करना है ज़्यादा कुछ, सारी चीज़ें मैं यहाँ पे बताऊंगा और नोट्स भी आपको अवेलेबल होगा। तो ज़्यादा टाइम हम लोग समझने में निकालेंगे। आप घर पे बाद में आप इसको और पढ़ते रह सकते हो या ऐड कर सकते हो या रिवाइज कर सकते हो। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद अल्फाबेट्स। जो आपने वर्ड बोला दैट वाज फार्म, एंड हाउ इट इज दैट इज बिकॉज phonetics is different. And let me start with first letter A. You have to read after me. A.
Okay. A.
Open sound A. ठीक है, जैसे आम हम सब कहते हैं ना आम, तो आ। Yes. Then बे, से, दे, ओ, अफ, जे, आश, देन ई, जी। देखो जी, जो लेटर जी इंग्लिश में है ना उसे हम फ्रेंच में जे पढ़ रहे हैं, और विद द वन व्हिच इज यू नो जे वी आर रीडिंग इट एज जी। तो एक तरह से साउंड का एक्सचेंज है दोनों में, बट एग्जैक्टली दे आर नॉट simple G, it's G, J and G.
And that's how we pronounce bonjour.
Bonjour, yes, J sound is there. Bonjour. Okay. Yes, I'll tell you, you know, reading तो अभी आज इस क्लास में आपको मैं पढ़ा के भेजूंगा कि अब आप इसके बाद कोई भी टेक्स्ट पढ़ सकते हो फ्रेंच में पहले क्लास के बाद, ठीक है? So you be happy, अब आप इसी क्लास के बाद आप कोई भी फ्रेंच टेक्स्ट पूरे सही प्रोनाउंसिएशन के साथ पढ़ सकते हो। I mean, except a few which have lot of exceptions. I mean, exceptions, and some of them have accents. उसको छोड़ के बाकी general reading you can do. Now, G. I mean, the letter J is G. Ka. Al. Am. An. O. Pe. Q. Yeah, this sound Q is literally, you know, does not exist in French and I mean in English and Hindi. So I won't be able to give you an exact example, but it's more like, it sounds like how do we say cool, right?
Cool.
Hot ke against we say cool. So the word cool, the one coming rounded lips, the shape of your mouth is rounded and you are pushing your tongue forward, you are saying khu, right? So similar to that fashion. Yeah, exactly. Khu. Yeah. Then next, very good. Air. Yes, जैसे एयर हम बोलते हैं ना, उसी को थोड़ा सा डीप साउंड होना चाहिए फ्रॉम थ्रोट। एयर, जैसे bonjour. Yeah. Regarder, right? Regarder means to see, to watch actually, to watch someone, to watch out, to look at something actively, look at something very seriously. So regarder is to watch. Okay. Parler, to talk, to speak.
Okay.
Je parle means I speak. Yeah. Tu parles.
You speak.
Yes. Tu parles. Je parle. Yeah. It's tu. मतलब हिंदी में हम जैसे तू बोलते हैं ना, जैसे हम लोग दिल्ली में तू बोल देते हैं किसी भी को, मैं नहीं बोलता, बट यहाँ पे हम लोग बोल देते हैं किसी को तू, तो that actually tu sound is there in French also. तुम, as तुम, which is informal. Generally we say आप in formal conditions, but this tu is also informal in French, as to indicate to your friend and family members, you know, very close relations where you have a informal setup mostly.
Yeah.
You can use tu. So tu
Yeah.
parles, you speak.
Tu parles, you speak. Okay.
Je parle, I
Je
speak.
parle, I speak.
If I say je regarde,
Je
I
regarde,
watch. I watch.
watch.
Tu regarde.
You watch.
Very good, very good. Now let's finish this letters, and you will be able to read. I'm sure about that. You will be able to read any French text. I'll show you the text too. So now S,
S,
T,
T,
U,
U,
ये भी वही Q जैसे हमने पढ़ा था ना, rounded lips, and then pushing tongue forward while saying the word, the letter. We say Q, and this time U.
U.
U. आपका राउंड लिप्स जो है वो राउंडेड होना चाहिए. अगर नहीं है तो करेक्ट साउंड नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है. फ्रेंच लोग ज्यादातर लोग बोलते हैं लिप्स से ही बोलते हैं, यू नो, ऐसे फन में हम लोग बोलते हैं और बात सही भी है. तो यहाँ पे एक जो ये लिप्स और टंग का जो ट्विस्ट है ना, हमें करना पड़ता है. अदरवाइज यहाँ से फ्रेंच लोग थ्रोट से बहुत कम साउंड है जो प्रोनाउंस होते हैं. अधिकतर दे स्पीक वेरी एक्टिवली यूजिंग दिस अपर पार्ट ऑफ द माउथ. यहाँ के सारे एरियाज को बहुत ज्यादा मूवमेंट होता है. और वो चीज आप जनरल ऑब्जर्वेशन कर सकते हो. इसका मतलब ये है कि जनरली अगर कुछ गलत हो रहा है तो यहाँ से बोलो शायद सही हो. मतलब आई एम जस्ट सेइंग जनरली. एंड मे बी इफ यू स्पीक इंग्लिश ऑल्सो एंड इफ यू आर यूजिंग दिस पार्ट अ लॉट, इट वुड साउंड लाइक फ्रेंच.
गॉट इट.
समझ रहे हो? तो एक जनरल टिप्स है. तो इवन दो लॉट ऑफ पीपल स्पीक फ्रेंच और यू नो दे रीड फ्रेंच, बट इट डज नॉट साउंड लाइक अ फ्रेंच, you know, because they are, you know, just speaking it like any English text, जो कि we don't have to do. We have to mimic it. We have to copy. It seems very you know, funny to say so, but I do mimic French natives, and that's absolutely fine. So you also have to do the same. It's not a problem because it's just what we have to do. We have to learn, right? That's the objective. Anyways, we can do mimicry. We can learn from them. We can copy expressions. We can just re-speak the same expressions we want to. That won't be a problem. Okay, now the this one is you, way, w, yes, x.
I'll repeat that. It's w.
Exactly, you read it correct. W. Way is single way, v, and then w is two v's into it, means double v.
Double. Oh, okay.
This is so funny. I know there's a lot of things that will make you, you know, think about this language again. Yeah, there's of course there is dual v because it's again Latin origin. There was one v and now this was two v's for a different, you know, they have created a letter using two v's into one, and that's why this is w. And w हम लोग इंग्लिश में भी कहते हैं w, so it's w. Now after this next is x, y, z. Exactly. Okay. You are quite good at pronunciation from the first day. ठीक है, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत बार बताना पड़ता है कुछ गलत प्रोनाउंसिएशन, और स्पेशली जब वीडियो कॉल्स पे होते हैं तो गलतियां कम होती है. इससे बेनिफिट यही होता है. वन ऑन वन क्लासेस के में क्वालिटी इंप्रूव होने का ये भी एक कारण है, क्योंकि हम लोग एकदम डायरेक्टेड होते हैं एक दूसरे के और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कन्वे हो पाता है. सो या दीज आर द लेटर्स. नाउ आई विल मेक यू रीड जस्ट आफ्टर दिस. let's once reread alphabet and then I'll give you passage to read. You know, आप परेशान मत होना कि अभी passage कैसे पढ़ सकते हो. You will be able to do that and very easily. So let's read once again and then get back to passage. We'll get to the passage. Let's read it after me. A, be, se, de, o. It's, you know, rounded lips but it sounds like o. Okay. So और जैसे हम लोग पढ़ते हैं अनार और o sound जैसे. What example I can give? Not able to think. ठीक है. Okay. So o sound is there but with the rounded lips. So o के जैसा sound करता है but not exactly. It's not o at all. It's o little heavy o. ठीक है. तो o. Yeah. Then of. J, ash, e, G, ka, l, m, n,
N
O
O
P
P
Q
Q
R
A
S
S
T
T
U
U
V
V
W
W
X
X
Y
Y
Z.
Z.
Very good. Now, time for reading some passage. Let me open the book, the one we are using, Cosmopolitan. So,
Janji, I'm so sorry. Someone is at the door. I have
please
to
go,
just.
please go. No, no
So
problem.
sorry.
Don't worry about that. Yeah, please go.
Yes, Janji.
ठीक है. Just 1 second. I'm opening the book only.
Sure.
ठीक है.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Here we have some dialogues
Mhm.
that we call, in French, is called as dialogue.
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 Yes, means dialogue. Okay.
Okay.
So dialogue 1. ठीक है. Read after.
Dialogue 1.
Yes, dialogue 1.
Mhm.
Then dialogue 2.
Oh, dialogue 2.
Yes, dialogue 2.
Okay.
ठीक है. Now the idea is here that you can see that it's written audio 2, right? You can see the indication of audio 2. Let's open the link that we have. Student book. Now see the audio 2 here, right?
Mhm.
Just have to play and listen to it, and then maybe you can, you have to understand text with the aware. You have to listen and compare, like associate or dialogue. So you have to listen to two dialogues in the audio and match if the dialogue 1 is meeting with first audio or not. If dialogue, I mean, to each other, I mean to the dialogue 1 and 2, using the two audios available on the link here. Okay. So first we'll read ourselves as a practice,
Mhm.
and then after we'll listen to the audio also to compare, and I'll help you with that. So
Sure.
shall we start with dialogue 1? You should be reading this one, dialogue 1.
Bonjour. Ha-
J plus a is
G
no J plus which is G plus a sounds like J.
Je.
Okay.
Je m-
Mo.
mon appelle.
Yes,
No.
one more thing I wanted to tell you, that we don't read e at the end, and even if you read it
Appelle.
a, so still it will sound la plus a, which is again la. So
Right.
je m'appelle.
Je m'appelle Mary.
Okay.
At what?
Et vous.
Oh,
T we don't read. Okay, I didn't tell you some of the things I need to tell you, but yeah, as of
okay.
now these errors I will not count as errors. Okay. Et vous.
Et vous?
Yes,
Oh,
we don't read.
okay. Vous appelez comment?
Comment. ठीक है.
Comment. Okay.
Next.
Okay. Bonjour. Je m'appelle Irina. Et toi, comment? Tu
T'appelles. Ta.
appelle. The apple.
Yeah, we read them together. We consider them as one word.
Okay.
T'appelles.
Okay.
Why?
T'appelles.
Why t'appelles? Because te plus a. Ta.
Uh-huh.
Then p plus a,
Mhm.
p a l. T'appelles. This e double l sound like l. So t'appelles, and s
T'appelles.
is silent at the end. S is silent at the end all of the time. Most of the time, I mean,
Okay.
apart from exceptions, we don't read s
Je
at the end.
m'appelle Christina.
Je m'appelle Christina. Very good.
Et vous appelez comment? Je m'appelle Rodrigo. Comment les appelle? Les appelle?
Rodrigo.
Sapel Rodrigo.
Very good. Very correct. Yeah, you did great job. So yeah, this is correct. I'll read it once again for you.
Sure.
Bonjour,
Mhm.
je m'appelle Marie. Because it's a French, even we read names in a French terms. Marie.
Oh.
Et vous, vous vous appelez. I didn't tell you there can be liaison also. So everything we have to, minute details we have to read later, right? एक ही दिन में नहीं हो सकता. Minute
Correct.
details मैं बताऊंगा आपको धीरे धीरे करके. Et vous,
Okay.
vous vous appelez comment? We don't read T also, right? At the end.
Right.
So it won't sound like comment. It won't. It would sound like comment. We are not reading
Comment.
T at all. Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
Et vous vous appelez comment?
Exactly.
Okay.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Erina. Right?
Okay. Bonjour, je m'appelle Arena.
Not. It's not pelle. It's pel. Je m'appelle.
Je
Appel.
m'appelle. Yeah.
So appel is one verb which means basically is one verb. S'appeler is one verb which means to call oneself or to name oneself basically. So French people don't like to say my name is. They like to say like in this way कि I call myself Gyan Kumar. Je m'appelle Gyan. Comment tu t'appelles? Comment
What
tu
is
t'appelles?
your name?
Yeah, comment tu t'appelles is basically a
Je
question.
m'appelle Soumya.
Yes, tu t'appelles Soumya. C'est correct. Exactement. Now, if I move ahead with the examples, appel is one verb. Again, this appelle verb is to call someone else, right? If I just use appelle, is to call.
Got it.
Okay. But if I add so appel, it becomes reflexive verb, which is action on oneself or to call oneself. S'appelle. ठीक है? यहाँ तक ठीक है? Now, dialogue the. Okay, the one sentence. Je m'appelle Christina. Dialogue the. Et vous vous appelez comment? Et vous का
Je
मतलब होता है
m'appelle Rodrigo.
yes. Et vous का मतलब होता है and you call yourself how? Basically how do you call yourself? Or basically means what is your name? तो फ्रेंच लोग काफी घुमा फिरा के बात करते हैं बहुत फॉर्मल पोलाइटनेस मेंटेन करने के लिए राइट व्हेन यू अच्छा घुमाना फिराना का क्या मतलब है मैं ये बता देता हूँ फ्रेंच लोग जब बहुत इनडायरेक्ट बोलते हैं तो क्या मतलब होता है इसका कि पोलाइटनेस मेंटेन करने के लिए राइट वी डोंट ट्राई टू बी डायरेक्ट विद द फॉर्मल सिचुएशंस in case we know the person we can be so direct asking something or saying something but we try to be indirect to sound like a polite expression behave like a polite person so that's how we French में और ज़्यादा politeness लाने के लिए बार बार चीज़ों को घुमा फिरा के बोलते हैं यानी कि थोड़ा सा बात वही बोलना है कि what is your name but we don't say directly what is your name we say how do you call yourself and basically may I know your name it's more like a very polite way to say this but if you don't want to be polite you can directly for example you are a police and you are investigating someone or maybe in charge of doing some obligatory work so there you can be direct and insist to get the answer and can ask in other way like quel est ton nom quel est votre nom what is your name it would be very direct not like how do you call yourself it seems more polite and we'll talk about that later also like there are a lot of minute details we'll talk about so et vous vous appelez comment yeah
Vous vous allez comment?
vous vous appelez
Oh sorry. Et vous vous appelez comment?
there is three vous and
okay.
yeah the first
Et
vous
vous appelez comment?
first of all यहाँ पे there is a virgule comma so comma के बाद you can take a pause yes et vous
and then vous appelez comment?
Exactly. Je m'appelle Rodrigo.
Rodrigo.
Comment il s'appelle?
Comment il s'appelle? Il s'appelle Rodrigo.
Yeah, il s'appelle मतलब he call himself or basically he is Rodrigo.
Yeah.
So comment il s'appelle? Il s'appelle Rodrigo. If I ask about your daughter like comment elle s'appelle? what is her name, right? So como él s'appelle. So you can
El sapel Nitya. Okay.
él s'appelle
Nitya.
Nitya. So you can write like for feminine we have this term él s'appelle Nitya. él s'appelle Nitya. Okay. So this is how we even introduce other person, you know, not
Okay.
just our oneself, but you can introduce other person also, like il s'appelle como, il s'appelle Nitya, elle s'appelle Nitya, I mean for feminine gender.
So El sapel is not gender specific, right?
No, it is gender specific. Il
It
is
is?
for masculine and L, which is starting with letter E, is for feminine, and the one starting with I is masculine, for masculine.
Oh.
And they are
okay.
known as subject pronouns. They are replacement for the name of an individual. He, she, etc. I, you, he, she, it. I mean, it
Got
is
it.
for the. It is not for a person, but at least for something, some
Got it.
neutral things, not
Got
gender
it.
based things. So, and nous is for we. जैसे we learn French. Nous apprenons français. We learn French. Or nous parlons. Let's take parler verb because you know that. Nous parlons français.
Nous parlons français.
We speak French.
We speak
Nous
French.
parlons anglais.
Nous parlons français.
Anglais, if you want to
Anglais,
say.
English.
Yes. Nous parlons italien.
Nous parlons italien.
We speak.
Italian. Okay.
Nous parlons espagnol.
Nous parlons espagnol, Spanish.
Very good. Nous parlons allemand,
Nous parlons allemand.
which is German. We speak German.
Okay, German. Okay.
I'll give you the list of languages that
Sure.
you know you can use to you know refer. But yeah, these are the for Hindi we can, for example, you want to use Hindi, you can say nous parlons Hindi.
Nous parlons Hindi.
Why so? Not Hindi?
They don't know how to do it.
Yes. So if you want, if they want to say Bihar, they would say Bihar. Okay.
BR.
Yes, exactly. Now you get it. It's a thing. This is the thing. The test will develop very soon. Don't worry. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. So this was the thing. Now let's listen to the audio. The same thing. How exactly
Yeah.
it sounds by the natives.
Right.
Yeah. And how much it's different from what exactly we read. So थोड़ा सा match करने की कोशिश करते हैं हम लोग. You know, we don't want to be separate from them. We want to match them up with the, you know, the native sound. So let's listen what exactly we read and how much we were accurate in doing so. So audio number 2 I'm going to play.
Dossier 0. Nous découvrons le français. Leçon 1. Bienvenue. Activité 2. Dialogue 1.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Marie. Et vous? Vous vous appelez comment?
Bonjour, je m'appelle Irina. Et toi, comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle Christina.
Dialogue 2.
Et vous? Vous vous appelez comment? Je m'appelle Rodrigo. Comment il s'appelle?
Il s'appelle Rodrigo.
थोड़ा strange लगा होगा, काफी अलग sounds, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but the way they are pronouncing Rodrigo is a bit different from the
Yes.
way I'm pronouncing it. Right?
Yes. Of course, Rodrigo is a Spanish name, you know. So if you just say Rodrigo, that's fine, but you know, इतना बड़ा वो impact नहीं है. But हाँ, we try to be closer to the sounds
Yeah.
that we hear
Yes.
with the natives, especially. So
Got it.
most of the part what they read is exactly, you know, what we did. But
Yes.
अब देखो, 100% accurate French native sound कभी भी नहीं हो सकता.
नहीं हो
I mean,
सकता, I know.
absolutely 20 years भी time दोगे तो भी नहीं हो सकता. I can guarantee that. क्योंकि I myself is learning since last 10 years in this language. एंड 2015 में स्टार्ट किया था व्हेन आई टुक इट एज अ माय मेन सब्जेक्ट इन ग्रेजुएशन. एंड उसके बाद से लाइक स्टिल आई एम लर्निंग, लाइक स्टिल नॉट, आई डू नॉट एग्जैक्टली साउंड लाइक नेटिव, एब्सोल्युटली पॉसिबल नहीं है, क्योंकि आई डू स्पीक मेनी अदर लैंग्वेज लाइक हिंदी एंड भोजपुरी एंड इंग्लिश, and then after this is my fourth language, French. So all three language have some or at least little impact on my personality, on my accents. So yeah, we try to be more accurate as much as possible. That's how we should seek. And what you read, I myself heard, and that was absolutely fabulous. That is required to continue, to be continued. Okay, so अभी देखो, पहली बात तो आप ये मत समझो कि मैं गलत पढ़ रही हूँ, बट एक बात आपको बता दूं, क्वेबेक का फ्रेंच अलग है फोनेटिक्स, फ्रांस का अलग है, अफ्रीका का अलग है. अफ्रीका में जो अलग अलग कंट्रीज हैं, अल्जीरिया, मोरक्को, ट्यूनीसिया, कोट d'Ivoire, सारे जगह पे लैंग्वेज डिफर. इवन फ्रांस इटसेल्फ हैव 5 डिफरेंट एक्सेंट्स. आई मीन, would it be possible, be ideal, that would it be possible really to match all of these sounds? No. So it's technically not possible. Even French themselves cannot meet all the different regional accents or sounds themselves. So
just
how
like
could
every
we?
other language, just like for Hindi we have
Yes.
like different dialects, right? So
Exactly.
it's
Dialect
with
impact is there. Yeah, regionalization of the languages basically that happens. And वो impact
So the
तो
alphabets that you have shown, I will have access to that, right?
of course, the OneNote I have shared only for that purpose, that I
Got it.
don't, you even do not need to call me or ask me for the notes.
Yeah.
It's automatically there, and even you can just open OneNote in your tab and you can directly see if you want to. So
Sure.
आपको कोई लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है मेरे क्लास में. आप नोट्स बना सकते हो, अपना लिख सकते हो, बट वंस यू डू सेल्फ स्टडी एंड यू हैव टाइम टू डू दैट, यू कैन कंटिन्यू. तो क्लासेस में नोट्स बनाओगे, आप भी लिखोगे, मैं भी लिखूंगा, तो ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है और
Exactly.
इफेक्टिवनेस कम हो सकती है. आई मीन टाइम हमारे पास
जी.
कम है. सो
Correct.
या नाउ लेट्स सी द नंबर्स. ये तो हो गया, आपको लग रहा होगा बेटर कि हाँ ये चीज़ तो हो सकती है. नाउ
हाँ, अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे.
थोड़ा करके कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड होना ही है, वो हो जाएगा.
Correct. Yeah.
और वो थोड़ा करके ही होगा. आप एक्यूरेट 100%
Exactly.
नहीं हो सकता है कुछ भी एक ही दिन में.
Yeah.
तो मेरा रोल यही है कि आपको थोड़ा सा उसमें बिल्ड करूं और उसके बाद चीज़ें आप समझना शुरू कर सकते हो. Now talking about numbers, and we call them les nombres,
Le nombre.
les, not number, it's br sound, nombre.
Number. Okay.
Yeah, जैसे octobre, we say octobre,
October. Okay.
novembre,
Oh. Le
décembre,
nombre. Br.
it's nombre.
Nombre. Okay.
Yeah, nombre, no mo bro.
Nombre.
I'll write the spelling
Nombre.
also. Yes.
Yeah.
You can yourself understand the spelling if you can. What is the spelling? Can you guess the spelling for nombre?
Numbre.
O no.
Oh, Noo.
So NOM nom bro BRE. अच्छा, आपको अभी अल्फाबेट्स भी पूरी तरह से डीप सिंक नहीं हुआ है. Otherwise, if someone speaks something in French, you will be, even though if you don't know the words, you can write that. You can understand what spellings here he is speaking or says. It's just because of, जैसे इंग्लिश में भी होता है, बहुत सारे words we don't know. ठीक है, still we are able to guess the terms or letters being used to spell that word.
Got it.
It's a knowledge of phonetics, not a knowledge of words that you have. So once you have knowledge of this sound of French alphabets, अगर कोई नया word भी होगा तो भी you can understand the letters, the word. May not be understanding the meaning, at least you can understand the letter or the word being used there, so that you can search also later on. मान लो फ्रेंच मूवी देख रहे हो तो वहाँ पे रुकेगा नहीं, आप चलते जा रहा है तो you can just hold the sound and later on search about that, or maybe note that down. So I mean, let's see the numbers now. I'm going to write the spelling. Les nombres means the numbers. What is this? Les is articles.
Okay.
The numbers basically. हम articles. Sorry, what I'm writing is articles. Nombre. Or we also call them les chiffres. So either you call them les nombres or les chiffres.
Les chiffres.
या ले सिफ्र. Cifr means digits, basically numbers. Same thing. Digit or number is not different, I'm saying, but le chiffre is more used as the digit and number. Le nombre. देखो नंबर्स में आपको एक अच्छी बात बता देता हूँ, आपके लिए बहुत आसान करने वाला हूँ मैं ये चीज भी. नंबर आज के क्लास में खत्म होता है, आज ही शुरू होगा, आज खत्म. इसके बाद इसमें कुछ भी नहीं करना है. हमें कितना नंबर सीखना है? Only from 1 till 16.
Okay.
And rest will be automatically done based on these numbers that we already know from 1 till 16. So let's start.
16 or 60?
I mean 1 6 16 I'm saying.
Oh, only 16.
Says.
Okay.
Yeah. So the focus or the main idea, if you want to add chart to your, in front of you, you can add chart of number 1 till 16, from number 1 till 16, and that I think you don't need to do that. It's very easy. 0, 1, 2, 3. It's very easy. I mean, let's start. See that.
Okay.
पहला नंबर है 0.
0.
Which is 0. ठीक है.
On.
It's not un.
It's on.
On, but nasal heavy sound.
On.
If I just pin up my nose, it would sound
on.
like exactly. But we can't do this. But the practice will develop, of course.
Yeah.
So अभी जब नहीं समझ में आएगा तो थोड़ा सा ऐसे क्लिक करो और उसके बाद से the sound you hear, you have to just remember that sound.
On.
Yeah, not no. We are not going to read no at all. Oh, which is nasal, little heavy. That's all. Oh. Then next is do. Yeah, do. It's not do at all. Do. Yeah. Do. Trois. Quatre. Cinq. Six. Sept. Huit. Neuf. Dix. Absolutely correct. Let's go once again. 0. Un. Deux. Trois. Quatre. Cinq. Six. Sept. Okay, sorry, I didn't tell you that P is silent here. Okay, so again, what's the reason is because of Latin influence. P is silent. Latin words में बहुत जगह P silent होता है, जैसे psychology तो वहाँ पे P silent है, right? Lot of things. English में भी बहुत सारे हैं, French में भी है. Yeah.
Whatever you have highlighted or marked in yellow, those are all silent.
Not all silent, but हाँ यहाँ पे silent है. Yeah, ये तो मैंने पूरा ही highlight किया है, is because you tend to forget these numbers. You tend to forget. You yourself will forget, I believe, because ये हर बार होता है. मेरे सारे स्टूडेंट बोलते हैं और मैं भी जब सीख रहा था तो मेरा भी ये वो रहा है, weaker zone basically. So there is a high risk zone basically. इसको आपको मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा seriously ज़्यादा टाइम दे के याद रखना चाहिए. And once you be focused here, बाकी ये सारे numbers तो simple है, ये तो automatically याद हो जाते हैं. ये याद करना होगा आपको from 11 till 16. So yeah. Where we word is Seth, right?
Seth.
With. Nuff. This. Yeah. This nuff also means new.
Okay.
देखो फ्रेंच में बहुत सारे सेम साउंडिंग वर्ड्स के अलग अलग मीनिंग हो सकते हैं, राइट? देयर इज वन यूनिक वर्ड. मैं आपको कंफ्यूज नहीं करना चाहता हूँ, बट just wanted to give you one example. There is one sound, son. It has lot of meaning. Son. S-O-N.
Son.
Means his or her. Son. Son frère, his brother. Son femme, his wife. Okay. Son femme. So this son, S-O-N, means his, her, possessive adjective. It is. Now, if I say son, S-C-E-N-T, son. This time C-E-N-T is 100. Son. जैसे हिंदी में हम लोग बोलते हैं 100 रुपए, $100, $100, song. Okay, इसके अलावा भी there are lot of song. I mean the same sound, S-A-N-G, song, which means blood.
Oh,
So,
okay, okay.
एंड इसके अलावा भी बहुत है, आई मीन देयर इज अ नंबर. सो यहाँ पे फ्रेंच थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाता है, इस मामले में ट्रिकी हो जाता है, क्योंकि बिगिनर्स तो एकदम ही क्रेजी हो जाएंगे कि भाई ये क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, एक ही वर्ड्स के इतने सारे अलग अलग स्पेलिंग, सेम फोनेटिक्स, डिफरेंट मीनिंग. यस, दैट्स देयर इन फ्रेंच, बट इट्स नॉट दैट बिग प्रॉब्लम ऑल्सो एज इट सीम्स, क्योंकि कंटेक्चुअली चीजें समझ आती हैं. ये आपका प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कंटेक्स्ट विल मेक इट itself clear
Right, right.
by default. It's not your problem, you just have to do practice, that's all.
Yeah,
ये नहीं कि अब इसको सीखने के लिए हमें कुछ अलग से कुछ टेक्निकल रिसर्च नहीं करना है,
yeah, yeah.
that's not required. बट हाँ, ये चीजों से कंफ्यूज भी नहीं होना है, इस तरह की पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं, बिल्कुल है.
ठीक है.
नाउ नंबर 11
And-
से, या
And can we just go through 1 to 10 again? I'm writing in my own language, Telugu, for the pronunciation purpose.
ओके, या श्योर श्योर.
I want to go with number 3.
Okay, so it's already written, you know, this pronunciation is approximately correct, you know, this sound यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है ना.
Because
If
for
you can,
number 9, if you see, I might pronounce it as no, but it's enough.
yes,
So I don't want to get confused in those
ठीक है,
areas.
ठीक है, I'm going to reread. Yes.
Yeah.
So-
Number 3 and 4, please.
Number 3 is thwa.
Wow. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Then fourth is katr.
Katra. Okay. Got it. Yeah. That's all.
Then rest is clear.
Rest is clear. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Okay, from number 11 till 16 now. Onj,
Onj.
douz.
Onj. Douz.
Yes. 13,
13.
14,
14.
15.
15.
Then 16.
16.
आप इसको जरूर लिखो, मैं तो बोलूंगा इसको लिख लो,
हाँ.
क्योंकि ये सच में कॉम्प्लेक्स है.
Kanj.
Kanj.
Yeah, we also might pronounce it as Kanj, right? So
Yes.
I just want to. It's Katroj.
नो पता है आपको, एक बात आपको बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि देखो ये जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन लिखा हुआ है ना,
हाँ.
ये चीजें जो है, या इट विल नॉट गिव यू दैट करेक्ट पिक्चर. यस, ठीक है,
Yeah.
there is-
क्योंकि मैं अपने लैंग्वेज में तेलुगु में लिख रही हूँ.
बिल्कुल बढ़िया है,
Because I'm-
या
yeah,
बेस्ट
so
है, दैट्स अ
It's,
बेस्ट पॉलिसी. आपको हिंदी आती है थोड़ी बहुत या नहीं?
आती है.
अच्छा, आप हैदराबाद से हो?
हाँ जी. हाँ.
अच्छा, मैं हैदराबाद भी रहा, मेरा अमेज़न का जॉब मैं हैदराबाद में ही किया हूँ, फाइनेंशियल डिस्ट्रिक्ट, ननकराम गुडा.
Nanakram Guda. Oh,
Yes,
okay,
I have been there. Yes.
Oh, we live in
I-
Madhapur, which is close.
Which area?
Madhapur.
Madhapur. Okay, I have been staying in there only. Seven Hills is one apartment near to Nanakram Guda, in that district only.
Gachibowli. Gachibowli.
Gachibowli is not. No, that's far. That's other office of Amazon is there. But the one biggest office of Amazon, world's largest,
know.
is there. You know that? Yeah, the big
I
building.
know. Orange
There.
County.
So yes, so मैं वहाँ भी रहा हूँ, मैं अपना पूरा टाइम वहाँ 3-4 years का टाइम वहीं पे मैं पूरा, मतलब आफ्टर माय ग्रेजुएशन फ्रॉम 2018 till 2021
Oh.
I have been there.
Nice.
So yeah, it was great experience staying there. I like people a lot, you know, the people in Telangana, they are so nice, you
Very
know.
good, yeah.
Yes, they are kind, more like a very they are more genuine people out there.
Helpful kind
Helpful,
of.
yes, because for some time I was going to my office by auto only, just to explore the local things, and I had a very nice experience because वहाँ पे काफी भीड़ होती है और मेरे पास टिफिन
हाँ.
बॉक्स होता था मेरा, तो पीछे
हाँ.
the women they sit, they just take it, they carry it for me, it's
Yes.
I have never experienced something like this here in Delhi or somewhere in Bihar also. So I generally come from Bihar, and that was absolutely
Wow.
one experience I never forget. That I can never forget वो experience.
Very nice.
मतलब it was just like something कि I thought, how can someone carry my tiffin box in their hand, and it was so shocking for me.
Small gestures.
Yeah, I just can never forget. It never happened with me, before that also and after that also. So was a good experience. So ये चीजें हो जाती हैं लाइफ में. Okay. 11 is yeah. Let's continue. Onze,
Onze,
12,
12,
13,
13,
it's not 13. It's more like th sound. Th, th.
13, 13,
Thrust, th,
13,
13.
yes.
Like there is one word, travailler.
Travailler.
Travailler means to work.
Oh,
Je travaille. I work.
sure. I work.
Tu
Tu
travailles.
travailles.
You work.
You work.
Okay. Je travaille à la maison. I work at home. Je travaille
Oh,
à la maison. Okay. For example, I am just giving one example.
yeah.
So, je travaille. Tu travailles. Acha, il travaille. He works.
He. Oh, okay.
Il
okay.
travaille. Okay. Il.
Oh, okay. Okay, got
Il
it.
travaille. And if I want to say
Elle
si.
travaille.
Elle
Elle
travaille,
travaille,
yes.
she works.
She works,
She works.
absolutely. So, elle travaille, she works. And now we want to say we work. Nous travaillons.
We work. New travail. New is we.
Nous is we, yes. Nous means
Yeah.
we, our group. Travaillons.
How are you?
Two
Work.
or more
We are
people, right?
working.
We are working or we work. This can mean two things. So in
Okay.
French, le présent can means present continuous and can also mean simple present, dependent on the context we use. So there is no present, there is no actual present continuous. Le présent is the only can be used. Otherwise, you can just mold and fold the structure to make it more indicative of continuous. Otherwise, this is the structure you can use.
Got
Just say
it. Okay.
je travaille means, if I say je travaille means I am working.
Okay.
In case someone is at my door and I'm saying je travaille maintenant,
Got
I'm
it.
working right now.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, numbers पे फिर get back to. Okay. 13,
13,
14.
14,
No, it's not 14. It's
it's
ka, to.
Ca,
Yeah.
tro. 14. Okay.
14. Throws is different. Throw.
Yeah. It's tours. Okay.
Yeah. 14.
Got it. Okay.
Throw तब होता है जब T के बाद R and then O, then it becomes throw.
Okay.
ठीक है? But it's
Got it.
T plus O
Thor.
plus R. Thor.
Got it.
Not throw. It's Thor. 14. Okay.
Thor.
Let's move ahead. Canj.
Can't.
Then next says.
Says.
That's it.
Decet.
This it.
The-
10 plus 7.
The with.
This with.
This with. This
Yeah.
enough.
Yes. Wa.
Wa. Wa.
Wa.
It's
Again.
wa.
मैंने क्या बोला था, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि फ्रेंच लोग सिर्फ अपने लिप्स से ही बोलते हैं, तो वा
हाँ.
यहाँ पे कोई
Wa.
सपोर्ट ही नहीं है थ्रू, सिंपल वा वा वा.
Wa. Wa.
दैट्स इट. नाउ हमें 16 तक ही सीखना था नंबर्स एंड वी आर डन विद दैट.
Okay.
What about beyond these numbers like 21 or something like, or 17, 18, 19? So 17, yeah.
So for 17, if we see that, it starts with 10 plus number 7.
Yes,
So
absolutely.
it starts with 20 plus number
1.
right?
Yes, 20 and 1, what you call 21. So but there is
Yeah.
one technique we say for only all of the 21 or 31st or 41st, all these numbers is going to take a in between them, like we say 1 plus a plus
Yeah.
means 1
Oh.
a 21.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Just
got
for
it.
21st digit, and then after, like for 22 you can simply say 1 plus the 1 the
Got it.
1 3. Move ahead. Next 1 4
Okay. Tatra.
1 5.
I cannot.
Okay, let's start from 21. Okay,
Sure.
so
yeah.
20 plus 1, right?
Yes.
1 etan
Wa eta.
is 21, right? Now 1 plus the, you just see numbers in between 1 to 10. वो numbers अपने सामने आप देखो, and I'll show you on the screen only यहाँ पे.
Yeah.
And just let's read 21. 1 etan,
Wa eton.
1
Wa
the.
et. Wa
No.
etu.
ए नहीं लगाना है, बाकी सारे में ए नहीं लगाना है.
Okay.
You just have
got
to
it.
use A only in 21st number, like 21st, 31st, 41st, 51st, I mean 61st. In these
Got it.
cases, I'll tell you how exactly it works more
Yeah.
It is, but just 1 second. Let's take a break for 2 minutes.
यस ज्ञान जी।
हेलो स्टार्ट करते हैं।
हाँ जी हाँ
ठीक है। हाँ तो हम लोग कहाँ पे थे, 21 को देख रहे थे। 21
हाँ जी।
22 ये सारे नंबर्स
हाँ।
आफ्टर 20। सो जैसे आपने ऑब्जर्व किया कि हाउ वी आर एग्जैक्टली डूइंग द 17 18 19 एक्सेट्रा, द सेम वी आर गोइंग टू फॉलो अप for 21 22 23 like
Yeah.
this. Let me show you that. So if I
Yeah.
just say 20 plus 1 why ito,
Mhm.
then why do, then why
Var do,
trois,
trois, var quatre, var cinq, var six, var sept, var huit, var neuf, var dix.
yeah, It's more.
No, it's not Wadis, right?
Okay, yeah, it's okay. It's absolutely fine to say Vadis. अभी के लिए it's okay. I'll tell you what is 30. ठीक है, लेकिन you are doing it right. This is how it should be. You know, we should be looking at numbers. It would become very easy if you see it mathematically, like adding something, removing something. यही चल रहा है पूरे फ्रेंच में. Numbers के साथ तो यही है. मैं आपको आगे भी बताता हूँ. जैसे 31 बोलना हो तो यार फिर से स्टार्ट करेंगे क्या है? आई एम जस्ट यू नो मेरा रूम है ना, इट्स जस्ट या आपके पास अभी टाइम है?
मेरे पास तो टाइम है. इट्स नॉट दैट कि आई डोंट हैव टाइम, लेकिन आपको तो वैसे भी 2:30 तक जाना था ना, तो मैंने सोचा ठीक है
नहीं, हाफ एन आवर आई कैन टीच.
ठीक है, थैंक यू, दैट वुड बी ग्रेट.
ओके, सो या लेट्स मूव अहेड. 31 आई मीन 21 के बाद सारी चीजें आपने नंबर्स देख लिए. दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, यू रेड. बट 30 के साथ यही प्रॉब्लम है कि 30 इज अ न्यू वर्ड नाउ दिस टाइम.
Correct.
So 30 becomes thought, and I'll show you number thought. So जैसे one is 20, so thought is 30. Thought. I'll tell you.
I think I have to learn 30, 40, 50, 60,
Yes,
70, 80,
that
90.
also. Yeah, not 80, 90. You have to learn till 60. Again, after that there is another pattern.
Oh.
Till 69 it follows. Till 69 it follows the same path of pattern of numbers. So but after that देखो आपने 30 देख लिया, thought. अब 31 के लिए क्या पढ़ोगे? या thought.
गुजराती में बोलते हैं ना prawn, ऐसा ही है ना prawn?
गुजराती में I don't know गुजराती.
Okay, ठीक है.
It's like thought thought.
Prawn.
Yeah, thought it, thought do. I'll read. You might get it multiple time. I'll read.
Can I just look at that
Letter? Okay, number. Yeah. Here it is. Thought.
Prompt. Okay.
Thought.
Okay. Prompt.
Eto is 31. ठीक है? Thought eto is 31.
Okay. Prompt etho is 31.
Now thought do.
Okay. So again, it follows.
You tell me
Prawn
what.
root, prawn twa, prawn cast, and everything follows, right?
Yes, absolutely. Thought sank, thought cease, thought sit, thought wheat, thought nuff.
Right.
And then
Okay.
40 is quarante.
Can I look at it?
Quarante. Yes, you can of course see this. Here it's starting from Q because 4 वाले सारे numbers का relation is directly with Q. So quarante.
It's quarante.
Yes, quarante. जैसे 30, 40, 50, 60,
50, 60. Okay.
50 and 60. Yes. So now
I think this is something like, I can pronounce it even it's mentioned in English, but the other ones I think I have to translate it into my own language for me to pronounce it correctly, right?
yes, अगर आपको जिसमें भी प्रॉब्लम है ना, you design it by your according to your vulnerabilities. बहुत लोगों को होता है कि कोई रीड करने में प्रॉब्लम होती है, कोई स्पेसिफिक लेटर्स, तो आप अपने हिसाब से जो आपको लग रहा है कि मुझे आई थिंक मेरा वीकर है, जैसे
when we look at some words which has like you should be pronouncing it with the vowels like a, u or o, that is where something it's
Okay.
see like just like I mentioned for 10, it's I might pronounce it as nuf, but it's nuf.
yes, it's nuff sound. Yeah, वहाँ पे आप नोट करो प्लीज. yes, जहाँ पे भी आपको लग रहा है कि थोड़ा सा गैप है, प्लीज राइट इन योर ओन लैंग्वेज. मैं तो हिंदी में लिखता हूँ, जो लोग हिंदी में समझ सकते हैं, मैं हिंदी में भी लिख देता हूँ.
मैं तेलुगु में लिख रही हूँ, तो
हाँ, बिल्कुल ज्यादा बढ़िया है.
my life easy.
यस, एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी शुड लुक. कोई भी चीज को कॉम्प्लेक्स बनाओगे तो फ्रेंच तो ऐसा चीज है कि इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स है, मैंने इसको इजी बनाने का कोशिश करता हूँ. मैं इसको सिंप्लीफाई, कोई भी टीचर ऐसा नहीं बोलता कि फ्रेंच इजी है, मेरे को छोड़ के आज तक मैं भी किसी टीचर को ढूंढ रहा हूँ जो मुझे बता दे कि फ्रेंच इजी है. बस मैं बोलता हूँ.
No language is easy to the matter. No language is easy.
But only me who is the person who is saying कि हाँ ये easy है, because मैं इसको easy बोलना चाहता हूँ. I cannot say it tough, otherwise और difficult हो जाता है चीजें. Okay. Now ठीक है, numbers तो हमारा हो गया. 40 के बाद let's move ahead reading it. You can see the screen and just go through 41 now. After this, quarante,
quarante,
quarante-deux,
quarante-trois, Khatra. So I have not written the other
45
numbers here, but I can read it
yes
till
let me
Caron.
मैं शो कर देता हूँ आपको
Yeah.
यहाँ पे so 48 42 43
Caron Khatra, Caron 5, Caron 6, Caron 7, Caron 8, Caron 9, Caron. No.
stop
Next
okay
it comes
Yes.
50.
50 50
Yeah. Right.
now 50
Yeah. Okay. 50, okay. 50 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60.
अच्छा ओके ठीक है अच्छा apart from just reading this it is also important to
Right.
be aware of the things I mean like if I say thronsis what do you understand by that thronsis
Font Cs.
yeah thronsis
Thwa is 3.
no I'm saying thronsis so that's
Thron-
awareness you need to build
Font Cs is 36.
yes so once someone some other person is speaking some numbers or maybe telling his phone number you have to note down or maybe you have to understand so we need to be aware of the digits what we are learning not just technically learning it so
Okay.
technicality is very good but we have to be aware like what is 44 what is 44 so 40
44.
bravo very good so yeah इस तरह से we see the numbers being aware of the numbers we are learning very technically now we have to become very objective कि हाँ कहीं पे चीजें अगर numbers बोले जा रहे हैं तो हमें note down करने के लिए दोबारा सोचना नहीं पड़ना चाहिए अगर if I tell you my phone number for example my phone number is 0 I mean just assuming 0 26 32 right इस तरह से अगर मैं नंबर बोलूं अपना
32.
yes right so इस तरह से you should be able to note down the number
Got it,
after
yeah.
a few days I mean after a practice of these because हम लोग चीजें बहुत जल्दी जल्दी कर रहे हैं आप
Correct.
समझ रहे हो 2 hours का क्लास इट्स
Right.
वेरी बिग क्लास फॉर फ्रेंच का क्लास 30 मिनट्स 40 मिनट्स से ज्यादा का होना इज अपने आप में डिफिकल्ट बट इन अ वे वी आर डूइंग
Thank you for accommodating. Yeah.
yes in a way we are doing it should be very intensive it is very intensive एंड आपको सारी चीजें अभी के अभी समझना है हमारे पास बहुत कम समय होगा चीजों को बाद में समझने के लिए शायद समय ही नहीं है हमारे पास तो अभी जो पढ़ रहे हैं वो अभी ही क्लियर होना चाहिए यहीं पे मे बी यूल गेट अ टाइम टू डू दैट रिवीजन एट योर होम इट्स योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बट क्लास में ही सारी चीजें कंप्लीट सो हम लोग अभी तक 60 तक नंबर सीख चुके हैं आई मीन टिल 69 एक्चुअली
Yeah, correct.
टिल 69 सो हाउ डू वी से 69
How do I say 69?
yes
Okay, it's 69.
very good now let's move ahead with the numbers as you made one mistake before saying 30 I mean previous one mistake you said where these for 30 right once you said
Oh.
right पिछले क्लास में मतलब जब आप सीख
right.
रहे तो first time
Yeah.
for the
Before
first time
you gave me how
Yes.
to pronounce 30.
the
I
same mistake we want to make here once again and it will be correct this time if you say 60 plus 10 would it
It's
sound like 70 now this time it is 70 here so if you by mistake or by chance you say 60 plus 10 like 70 like in the same rhythm if you say 69 and then 70 it would be absolutely correct and this is correct actually so 70 is 70 समझ में आया
70.
yes 60 plus 10
Oh, okay.
so now the second pattern starts
SONTDEES, right? 70.
DIX
Can I just look at the number?
yes of course 60 this here it is I mean yeah
Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. Got it. Okay, I should be familiar with the French spelling as well. Okay. Got it.
yes so yeah this is the thing okay so ये सारे हाँ स्पेलिंग्स तो पता होना चाहिए जैसे x को हम लोग जनरली हम नहीं पढ़ते बट इस केस में इस की तरह पढ़ते हैं एक्सेप्शनल केसेस हैं नंबर्स तो यहाँ पे पढ़ना है बट अदरवाइज x को हम लोग नहीं पढ़ते मतलब फिर साइलेंट मान के चलते हैं, ठीक है, वन ऑफ द कॉन्सोनेंट्स, ठीक है। नाउ टी को भी नहीं पढ़ते एट द एंड, टी इज साइलेंट, एस इज आल्सो साइलेंट एट द एंड, यू नो दिस कॉन्सोनेंट, अ फ्यू कॉन्सोनेंट्स आर साइलेंट, आई विल गिव यू द लिस्ट which of them
Sure.
are silent,
Yeah,
and generally they are not silent, so some of them are silent, not all of them, and the list I'll provide where they are silent. Now let's look at the number 70, right? We were saying French uses 60 plus 10 for 70s and
For
80 plus
70s.
10 for 90s.
80, okay.
So now 70 is 70, 60 plus 10
Yeah.
है ना, 70 is 60 plus 10 is your 70, ठीक है।
Okay, 60 plus 20 is 81.
No, not 60 plus 20, we are not, अभी इसके लिए नहीं बात करेंगे, ठीक है, leave it,
Oh, sorry. Okay, got
leave it
Yeah.
here, we'll talk about only 70 अभी के लिए।
ठीक है.
So 60 plus 10 is your
70.
70. So now the main idea is not 80, अभी 80 के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं, we are just looking at 71, 72, 73, पहले लाइन से आते हैं हम लोग, सारी चीजें करेंगे। So 71 is should be 60 plus 11,
Oh, okay.
60 plus
12. Oh, got it.
ठीक है, यहाँ से एक नया रिदम, नया पैटर्न स्टार्ट होता है। I mean not 80, I thought it's 73. Okay.
Is there any significance around this number 6 or 16 or something in this language?
Number
Why do
6.
we always stop or change the pattern when it comes to 6 or 16?
What exactly? I could not understand. मतलब what exactly you want to ask?
No, for say, like for 50, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's sank on, sank on enough, right? But now it's when we reach 60, we are just not doing like, you know,
Previous pattern, yes.
Plus on these plus 2 or
Yes.
plus on these plus 3, but why are we doing it 60 plus 11?
Okay. Acha, yes. So there is no actually. This is how it developed. You know, in a way of development.
There is no theory around
Yeah,
it.
there's no technically. There's no theory. There's no reason. There's no logic. It's just a a development or basically influence from the older version of the language, basically
Got it,
medieval
got it.
French. And there is again no reason for medieval French to be like that. You know,
Got
no
it.
logic.
Okay.
Even
I get it now.
so
Okay.
of course language should be science based, but even language cannot be completely based on science, because there are some of the idiocratic, that we say, non reasonable
Yeah.
things that cannot be answered. तो यहाँ French में lot of things are there that cannot be answered
Okay.
technically. So
Got it.
this is one of the questions. I'm not sure why it's like that,
Okay.
and just a development. So yeah, बस हमें क्या करना है, हमें याद होना चाहिए कि कैसे पैटर्न है। तो from 1 till 69 is one pattern, from 69 मतलब from 70 till 79 is the same pattern, you can note this down, and from 80 till 100 is the different, I mean altogether
Got it.
3
Okay.
different patterns we are looking at.
Okay.
So पहला 69 तक, दूसरा 79 तक, और तीसरा आपके उसके बाद वाला पैटर्न। I mean actually there is only 2 patterns, तो 69 के पहले वाले पैटर्न को अगर भूल जाओ तो उसके बाद वाले सारे पैटर्न्स सेम फॉलो करेंगे, बट जैसे 16 is a hold point for there, 18 is
Got
going
it.
to be a hold point for there for upcoming numbers. So I'll explain how exactly. So
Okay,
so
okay.
look at this number 71, 71
Soixante onze.
यहाँ पे a
71
यूज नहीं करेंगे, et जो हम कर रहे थे अभी तक 21st डिजिट के लिए और 31st और 41st के लिए, et जो यूज कर रहे थे ना नंबर्स, जैसे यहाँ पे 31 के लिए et और hyphen, will not do that.
Yes.
Apart from there,
Will not
you
do
know,
that, yeah,
will not
because
continue
it's not
that.
1, it's 11.
Now
Okay.
this is and the second pattern we are looking at. So
Got
you know,
it. Yeah.
ये 11 से start किया, 71, 72,
71, 73, 74, 75,
75,
Canj.
not
Yeah.
Kanj, Kanj.
Mm. Okay.
Then after 76.
मैंने 16 का लिखा
Oh, okay,
नहीं
okay.
है।
I'll show you the numbers. Why not? I'll show you the numbers.
76,
Says,
16,
je, says.
16. Okay. 77, Soixante dix-huit.
These with,
Soixante dix-huit. Soixante dix-neuf.
and then
Next is 80.
80. So 80 is not going to follow अब जो आप पैटर्न, अब ये भी 60 की तरह एक स्टैटिक अपना नया पैटर्न लाएगा, जो भी मैं बता देता हूँ क्या है वो, सरप्राइज नहीं रखना इसमें. ये 80 जो नंबर है, इट्स गोइंग टू बी लाइक 4 into 20.
Oh.
नाउ यू नो 4 नंबर डिजिट 4 आपको पता है, इट्स 4, राइट, एंड देन 20.
1.
So 4 into 1 is basically 80.
4 times 20 is 80. Okay.
So you cannot count it like, बहुत लोग ये बोलते हैं कि सर क्या इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं क्या, कि मान लो यहाँ पे कुछ और लिख दे, like 8 times कुछ और, like 8
I
into
know,
10.
yeah, but we cannot do it. Okay.
या ये सारी चीजें फिक्स्ड हैं, डायनेमिक, और कोई
Okay.
चेंज पॉसिबल नहीं है. मतलब अगर रीजन नहीं भी मिल रहा है तो भी वैसे ही पढ़ना है जैसे बताया गया है.
Got it.
यानी कि रीजन मिल जाए तो अच्छा, नहीं मिल रहा है तो भी स्टैटिक है, इसमें कोई चेंज आप नहीं कर सकते. ये फिक्स्ड पैटर्न्स आपको फॉलो करना है. 80 इज नाउ योर 80. सो थिंक अबाउट 81, मतलब बहुत लॉजिकल होगा. 24 into 20 प्लस समथिंग, 81 plus 1.
81 et 1.
Yes, 81 et 1, and then 82.
81 3. No,
Deux.
3. 2.
81
81 3. 81
4.
मैंने 5
80, okay, yes, 84, 85,
86, 87, 88, 89, and 90 will be different.
yes. So 90 would be different, but you know, one wrong mistake that we did till 30, और वही कंटिन्यू करेंगे यहाँ भी. So
Okay.
that mistake was a big learning actually. यहाँ भी फिर follow होगा. So it would be like 80, which is 80, and then should be added 10 to become 90. 90.
This.
Yes.
81 this. Okay.
Yes.
Oh,
Then
okay,
after
okay.
91, guess for 91.
81 this at 1. Oh no. Oh, okay.
Just a
81.
second thought. Yeah.
81 orange,
Very good.
right?
Yes. 81 orange.
81 douce.
82.
81 três. 81 14. 81 15. 81 7. Yeah, so it follows.
Follows
And
till
100
99.
different again.
It's
right?
song, CENT, song.
Song.
Yeah, must be written here. Yeah, song.
Song. Okay, it's like हिंदी में जैसे 100 होता है, it's
सौ,
like song.
एग्जैक्टली. इसलिए मैं नंबर्स खुद से नहीं पढ़ाता, मैं स्टूडेंट्स को गेस करने के लिए बोलता हूँ. सच बता रहा हूँ, ये गेस का क्लास है. यहाँ पे जो भी है, मैं कुछ, मुझे इसमें लगता नहीं है कि मैं अगर बता दूं तो ज्यादा हेल्प है. आपने गेस कर लिया तो आप कभी भी कर लोगे.
Exactly. Yeah.
तो इसलिए मैं बताऊं और नंबर दे दूं लिस्ट की, पढ़ लो, उससे ज्यादा अच्छा है कि आप इसे सीख लो. याद रखने की भी जरूरत नहीं है हमें कुछ. मुझे भी याद नहीं है कोई भी नंबर, बट आप मुझसे कोई भी नंबर पूछोगे मैं बता सकता हूँ. बट मुझे टेक्निकली मैंने याद नहीं किया कभी. मतलब क्यों याद करूं, मुझे मैथमेटिक्स आता है, जोड़ घटाव अगर आती है तो यू डोंट नीड दैट. अगर वो भी नहीं आता तब तो यू हैव टू मेमोराइज. यू नो, ये नंबर्स आप लिख सकते हो नीचे क्विज में. फ्रेंच डिजिट सारे दिए हुए हैं, आप इसको फ्रेंच में नंबर्स लिख दो.
I'll have access to all the sheets.
यस,
right?
ऑफ कोर्स,
I'll just-
नो डाउट. ये अगर एक्सेस ही नहीं होगा तो फिर क्या बेनिफिट है. The main idea is to do these activities to reinforce the lesson that you learned just. So acha, what about 200? I want to say 200. Can you guess it for me? Or maybe 500.
102.
102, right? But
No?
but the thing is that
No, number 2 comes before, right? So
yeah,
200.
200, 500, yes, 900.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. 300.
If you say 102, it seems like more like 10 and 2. 102. 102.
102. Yeah,
So
got it.
we say 102, which is 102.
Okay.
So I mean,
100 at 1 is 101.
yes.
Okay.
So वो अभी 900 तक आप ऐसे जा सकते हो. 999. How would you say that?
999, right?
Yes.
900. 900.
Yes. Go slow. Take your time.
What do we call
4. 4.
81
80
81
plus 19. 80 plus 19.
81 plus 19. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. No, I did not write. No.
Okay. These nuff
These
is 9.
nuff.
Yes.
These nuff. Yeah. 10
So-
plus 9. These nuff.
So
Yeah.
900. Can you repeat once again? I mean the complete one.
900 81 these.
These nuff.
Sorry, these nuff.
Right?
Yeah, okay.
Can you repeat once again? I'm
Sure.
sorry, but please once more.
No. 900 81 these nuff.
Absolutely.
Right?
I'm happy. Now one.
It's just that you have to apply the logic like एक number को
अब
क्या
बताओ,
क्या, how
अब मैं
do we do it?
आपको मैं बताता कि याद कर लो, लिस्ट दे दूं, तो होता कभी ये बहुत मतलब बहुत पैसिव प्रोसेस हो जाता. अभी नाउ इट्स मोर एक्टिव प्रोसेस. नाउ probably we don't have to do anything,
Yeah,
like it's automatically done actually.
yeah.
जैसे एक्सेल सीट में कोड कर दिया और काम खत्म, वैसे ही है.
Yeah,
So,
true.
अभी हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है कि आपको 999 तक आई थिंक यू विल हैंडल. बियॉन्ड दैट यू नीड टू लर्न व्हाट हाउ डू वी से 1000. अगेन वो एक टर्म आपको फिर से याद रखना होगा विच इज मील, और बेसिकली
How
मील,
many?
या मील MI. दिस इज द टर्म, लेट मी राइट.
Okay. Mil. E is silent.
Let me check the exact. Should be the correct spelling. Yeah, mil.
Got it. Okay. It's 1000.
It's 1000, 1000. Yes.
Okay.
So if you want to say 1000, you should be saying mil,
Mil. Okay.
or simply mil actually.
Mil.
So
E is silent.
अगर
It's not
one-
mil, it's mil.
या मिल. सो अगर आप 1000 बोलना चाहते हो तो यूज करना जरूरी है. If you want to say or maybe if you want to say
If
just,
it's 1001, it's
Yeah.
mil et on.
you can say mil eon. ठीक है, mil eton. So
Milathon. Okay.
yeah.
Oh, mil is nothing but a million, no? No.
No, it's not. There's other term for million which is million. The same word.
Millino.
Million.
Okay.
Un million. Un million
Million.
dollar. $1 million. So
Got
un
it.
million dollar.
And dollar is dollar.
Dollar. Yeah, the same spelling.
Dollar.
You can say dollar.
I heard it many times when I was. Yeah. Okay. Got
Okay.
it.
You have heard dollar term.
Yeah, dollar. Yeah.
Yeah.
I have
Okay.
heard like a few words, just like I said, it's bonjour. It's like, wherever you go, it's like bonjour.
Right.
And femme, these are all
Femme,
sortie
yeah.
is exit.
Yes. Sortie.
Right? Sortie, yeah.
Yeah.
Sortie is exit.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Everywhere
We
you see
we
the
never
word
say
sortie.
we never say t sound in French. So you are saying sortie, and that's how it sounds English. It's not a French. We say
Yeah, it's
sortie. So we never say hard sound in French. Mostly we
They
avoid.
don't pronounce T. They
Yeah.
pronounce it as the.
So हम लोग ट नहीं पढ़ते. ट ठ ड ढ. अगर हिंदी आपको पता हो, we never say ट ठ ड. We always say
got it.
to tho do. To
So,
tho do.
yeah.
So
Yeah.
demande, done. We never say done or de.
Yeah.
We say they. Letter D.
They.
Do you remember letter D को हमने they नहीं पढ़ा. We read it as do. They.
So, yeah.
Dejeuner.
Rodrigo, yeah.
Rodrigo. Dejeuner. Dîner.
Right. Yeah.
Devoir.
And dialogue also we call
Dialogue.
it as dialogue. Yeah. So, yeah.
Bravo. Yep. You're getting it. Absolutely perfect. So yeah, numbers and alphabets are done. Half an hour हमारा टाइम और भी रह रहा है. We could have done more actually, but ठीक है. कभी फिर इसको कर लेंगे, कभी हमारे पास एक्स्ट्रा टाइम
Maybe
रहा.
because today being the
समझाने
all
में
the
थोड़ा.
introduction to
Yes.
one note and everything,
that
classroom
took
and
time.
everything. So
Yeah. फर्स्ट क्लास में इतना काफ़ी है वैसे. आई नो दैट हमें जल्दी कवर करना है, बट मैं कोई भी बम्बार्डमेंट भी नहीं करूँगा. आई गिव यू दैट सफिशिएंट टाइम जो कि पॉसिबल है आपको अंडरस्टैंड या कॉम्प्रिहेंड
Got
करने
it.
के लिए. अदरवाइज पूरा प्लान ऐसे नहीं हो सकता कि कुछ भी बम्बार्ड कर दे. चीज़ें समझ आ रही हैं तभी तक ठीक है.
हाँ जी.
बस सारी चीज़ें आपको समझ आई या कुछ भी.
See, and it's definitely not overwhelming.
यस
So, yeah,
थोड़ा मैं
that's
ज्यादा
important.
मैं आई लव टू टॉक अ लॉट, तो उसमें भी थोड़े बहुत तो विल स्टिक टू द प्लान, यू नो,
Yeah.
we'll have the conversation regarding the syllabus or
Yeah.
you know to the plan mostly. That would really help. But ठीक है, चलो आगे से फिर कंटिन्यू करते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास, और उसके बाद मैं आपको कल ग्रीटिंग्स वगैरह सिखाऊंगा। आप नंबर्स
हाँ
और
जी।
अल्फाबेट्स में मेरे से ये आप ऐसा कर लो कि आपको फ्यूचर में कभी भी मेरा हेल्प ना लेना पड़े। Please do
Exactly.
it like
That's
that.
the reason I'm writing it my own
Yes.
mother tongue, so that helps
या
me.
अगर आप मुझे बार बार पीछे की तरफ खींचोगे कि ये कुछ छूट रहा है या ये कुछ बताना बाकी है, तो इट विल डिले द प्रोसेस, यू नो, यू अंडरस्टैंड।
I will
तो
end
अगर
up,
यस
delaying.
विल एंड अप डूइंग रिवाइजिंग द थीम्स अगेन एंड अगेन। तो वैसा करने से बेटर है कि एक बार करो, सॉर्टेड रखो इसको, उसके बाद
Sure,
सो दैट वी
sure.
कैन मूव फॉरवर्ड, और
Sure,
हमें
yeah.
कोई बैक वो यू नो बैकलेस नहीं हो और पीछे नहीं आना पड़े किसी भी कंडीशन
Yeah,
में, नहीं तो
yeah,
वो
yeah.
फिर से यू नो मोनोटोनस
Yeah.
प्रोसेस हो जाता है और आपके लिए भी। तो आप ये दो क्वेश्चंस मेरे से अब इसके बाद कभी भी ट्राई करो कि यू विल नेवर नीड टू आस्क द क्वेश्चंस रिगार्डिंग अल्फाबेट्स
Exactly.
एंड नंबर,
Yeah.
or maybe
Yeah.
you can move forward with that, you know, you can
Sure.
maybe read some French text and come prepared with
Sure.
that. Okay,
Okay.
चलो ठीक है,
So
let's
that's all. Thank you
okay
so much,
okay
Janji. And you can-
okay ठीक है
Okay?
सौम्या, बाय बाय,
And
अरुपार,
you have a good rest of your day.
you too,
Bye.
bye।